You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name correctly. I said correctly, of this city in Minnesota. Minesota, as the Americans would say. Let's make the clearest, the simplest video about how to pronounce this city name on the internet, on YouTube. Minneapolis. Mini, take the first part, the M-I-N-N-E is mini. Mini-a, stress on that a syllable. Minneapolis. Some may say Polis, but the Americans generally say Polis, okay? Minneapolis. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Minneapolis. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. And remember, Minneapolis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.